Robotics is moving beyond isolated machines and into AI-driven systems that rely on continuous data processing and real-time decision-making. While robotics innovation is accelerating globally, the UK continues to lag behind many advanced economies in adoption. As these systems evolve, infrastructure becomes a determining factor in how reliably and efficiently robotics platforms operate in real-world environments and in their adoption at scale in the UK. This creates a growing role for British infrastructure providers, particularly as organisations look for lower latency, greater operational resilience, and stronger control over environments supporting next-generation robotic systems. Computer vision, sensor data processing, and machine learning inference all require continuous data generation and processing. In order for the machines to act with enough speed, they must be able to make decisions in milliseconds. This requires infrastructure that can process and feed back vast amounts of data at speed and powerful networks. Any downtime or latency will interrupt operations with significant cost and impact. Many of the world's largest cloud infrastructure providers are headquartered in the US. While hyperscale infrastructure continues to play an important role in enterprise IT, large-scale robotics adoption in the UK introduces operational challenges that centralized cloud models are not always designed to address. Latency issues. For robotics workloads, where systems depend on real-time data processing and low-latency communication, infrastructure proximity becomes increasingly important. Moving workloads further from operational environments can introduce delays and affect system responsiveness and efficiency. Connectivity risks. Many robotics environments operate in conditions where connectivity is inconsistent or constrained. Real-time systems cannot afford delays, outages, or degraded performance. Data sensitivity and sovereignty. In many use cases for robotics, the data being processed is sensitive, and therefore data sovereignty must be considered. For compliance purposes, industrial, healthcare, and operational data must often be kept within one jurisdiction and not transferred between different regions. For instance, under the US Cloud Act, American authorities can request access to data held by US-based companies regardless of where that data is physically stored. Cost inefficiencies. Robotic systems generate continuous streams of high-volume data, much of which is time-sensitive and short-lived. Sending all of this data to a centralized cloud platform for processing and storage introduces ongoing transfer, compute, and storage costs. Over time, this creates an inefficient model where organizations are paying to move and process data that does not always need to leave the environment. To support real-time AI-driven systems, processing needs to happen closer to where the data is generated. Instead of relying on a centralized cloud for every request, hosting in UK data centers enables workloads to run locally, at or near the source. This allows for real-time responses with systems able to act instantly without waiting on round trips to distant data centers. It also reduces reliance on network connectivity, enabling continued operation even in environments where connections are unstable or limited. By processing data locally using infrastructure from a UK provider, organizations can improve resilience and avoid single points of failure. It also supports local AI inference, so models can run on-site without continuously sending data to the cloud. Private environments will play an important role in the wide-scale adoption of robotics in the UK, providing greater control, stronger security, and more predictable performance. This is particularly valuable for workloads that are sensitive, latency critical, or operationally essential. To make this work at scale, organizations need centralized oversight alongside distributed execution. Infrastructure may be spread across multiple locations, but it still needs to be managed, monitored, and optimized as a whole. This introduces a level of operational demand that can be difficult to manage internally, particularly for teams without experience running distributed systems at scale. Managed infrastructure can help bridge that gap, providing the support, visibility, and consistency needed to operate distributed environments effectively. Robotics adoption is ultimately an infrastructure challenge as much as an innovation challenge. As autonomous systems become increasingly integrated into critical industries and public infrastructure, organizations will require environments capable of supporting real-time processing, operational resilience, and stronger jurisdictional control. To support robotics adoption at scale, the UK will need a stronger ecosystem of British infrastructure providers capable of delivering a low-latency, resilient, and sovereign environment these systems require. For more information on systems, platforms, and infrastructure hosted within UK data centers, please visit hyve.com.